How to delete all liked videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete all liked videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the problem here is quite simple. You open the TikTok application, you happen to like a certain video over here. Just by double tapping on it, you just happen to like it. You have scrolled through past so many videos and now you want to find the video that you just went ahead and then liked. So how do you do this? Well, it's very simple. Just come to the profile page from the bottom right, and here you'll be able to see a list of things that you've posted. But if you want to find the liked post, just tap the heart icon that you can find in this navigation menu. As you can see, the little heart shaped icon, and here you'll be able to see a list of videos that you have liked. So basically you can just choose a certain video that you want to select and then just tap on this unlike option, and then you'll be able to unlike the video. And this way you'll be delete all liked videos on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.